Hello students, I am Dr. Rekha Jain, Professor in Mathematics, Medicaps University, Indore. Today we are going to have a topic, very interesting topic, integration. And in integration we are going to have integration by parts. If you will look at your 12th syllabus and your IIT JEE syllabus, then you will find that every time these kind of questions are coming. In 12th there is a unit, so many questions are coming, and in IIT JEE if you will look, then 3 to 4 questions based on integration is coming. So in many of the integration we find that integration by parts is being used. Now what is that and why it is needed? If we have two functions in multiplication, then we normally use integration by parts, but not always we have to use. Sometimes we can go by multiplication of the questions, or sometimes we can have the substitution method. Sometimes we can have some formulas applied so that we can use it easily. Otherwise, we are going to have integration by parts. So now, what is integration by parts? So as we discussed, we have two functions in multiplication. Suppose u and v both are the functions of x. Then u and v dx. Then the formula is first function integration of second function minus d by dx, or differentiation of first function, then integration of second function, then the whole integration of this function. So this is how we are going to use this formula. Now directly if we go by the formula by not by choosing any of the function first or any of the function second, then we may have 2 times repetition of the problem. Sometimes we cannot find the solution. So there is a rule. It's just an observation rule. It is known as ILATE rule. अब ये क्या चीज़ है? एक तो इंटीग्रेशन टफ, उसके बाद एक और रूल आ गया आई लेट. तो इसको मैं ऐसे याद रखती हूँ, आई लेट मतलब क्या, इंटीग्रेशन करते करते थक जाते हैं ना हम लोग, तो इसको आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट डज इट मीन आई लेट का मतलब होता है आई स्टैंड्स फॉर इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. सेकेंड, L stands for logarithmic function, A stands for algebraic function, and T stands for trigonometric function, and the last one is exponential function. So that is how we remember I late rule. So let us discuss the example. Here we have the example integration x e to the power x dx. Now we have two function in multiplication. So how to decide first function and how to decide second function? Then we will go with ILATE rule. X is algebraic function and e to the power x, of course it is an exponential function. So algebraic is coming first in this and second e. So we have first this function and this is second function. Now applying the formula. What is the formula? First function integration of second function minus integration d by dx of first function, integration of second function, and the whole integral. So this is how we have applied the formula for integration by parts. Now we'll solve it. X is x. Integration of e to the power x is integration of e to the power x. इस फंक्शन को मैं बोलती हूँ हम नहीं सुधरेंगे फंक्शन, because if you integrate e to the power x, if we differentiate is e to the power x, so x e to the power x is हम नहीं सुधरेंगे टाइप फंक्शन माइनस इंटीग्रेशन d by dx of x is 1 into again integration of e to the power x will be e to the power x and the whole dx. Then here x e to the power x as it is minus 1 into e to the power x will be e to the power x, e to the power s again it is e to the power x. Since it is a indefinite integral, so constant of integration. So we can simplify it further. If we can take e to the power x common, we have e to the power x, x minus 1 plus c. Let's see another example, x sin x. Again we have to decide by Eilert rule. X is again algebraic function, sin x is trigonometric function. I लेट में a कौन सा आ रहा है, algebraic function, or trigonometric function comes second. So that will be x will be first function and sin x will be second function. For more visibility I am writing this problem again, x sin x dx. X will be treated as first function, this will be treated as second function. So let us start with the formula. We have first function integration of second minus integration d by dx of x, integration of sin x dx and the whole dx. So that is how we apply the formula of integration by parts. Then the simple x we have, we know the integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integral d by dx is 1, sin x is again minus of cos x and the dx. So we have x minus cos x, this we have minus, minus plus. So in the next term we can write down this is minus x cos x minus minus plus. Here we have 1 cos x means integration of cos x dx. So here we have minus x cos x plus cos x, integral of cos x is sin x plus integration constant. So that is how we apply integration by parts in multiplication of many function. So let's have another example. ये जो question है ये एक important question है, ये डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी पूछा जाता है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x. इसका डिफ्रेंसिएशन तो हमको आता है, log x का डिफ्रेंसिएशन 1/x, पर इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आता है. अब इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x का एग्जाम्पल यहाँ क्यों ले रहे हैं, यहाँ तो दो फंक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होना चाहिए, पर मैथ्स में हमारे पास एक सुविधा है. क्या सुविधा है? अजम्पशन करने की. सो वी यूज़ अवर अजम्पशन दैट इट इज़ नॉट log x 1 into log x. So here again by Eilert rule we are going to have first function and second function. Eilert is a observation rule. जिसका भी डिफरेंशिएशन आपको आता है और इजी लगता है वो आप फर्स्ट फंक्शन चूज़ कर सकते हैं. और कुछ एक्सेप्शनल केसेस भी हैं जो हम फर्दर वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, जहाँ पे आइलेट एप्लीकेबल तो होता है लेकिन वो टफ हो जाता है. सो लेट अस इंटीग्रेट दिस फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर फॉर्मूला log x integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of log x and integration of 1 dx and whole dx. So here we have log x is log x into integration of 1 is x minus d by dx of log x. We all know it is 1 by x. Here the integration of 1 is this and we have now this. Then we can write down this as x log of x minus 1 by x, x cancel out हो गया, 1 बचा. Integration of 1 dx is x log of x minus x and the integration constants. You can simplify this by taking x common. So we have log x minus 1 plus c. So directly ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x आता है या फिर आपको 12th के एग्जाम में भी log x आता है. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी कैन सॉल्व इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स. फॉर मोर क्वेश्चंस, फॉर मोर वीडियो, वी विल कैच यू later. Thank you.